Take a ride in the 2019 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, footwell lights, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.